Hey guys, today it's Oliver from Oliver and Ben Gaming, and today I am making slime with something that is going to probably shock you guys. It's going to sound weird, I've never used it. It's a glue. It's a different type of glue. It's just a basic clear slime, but yeah, it's a very different glue. And that glue is Crazy Art washable clear glue. It says great for slime making, if you can see there. Great for slime making. And the other things you're gonna need is borax and for coloring in here. Uh-oh. Draw it back, guys. So, let's see. This one is really good. And if you guys didn't know, most glues that say great for slime making turn out not to be really good. So let's check this out. Add a bunch of slime. That was a bit too much. And we're gonna add what color should I make? Yellow, red, green, or blue? I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to guess what I'm going to choose. If you guys guessed red, you are right. Because I love red clear slimes. Alright, now let's mix this up. What the heck? Why does it feel like it's clumping up? I haven't even added anything. Yes. Tonight I'm going to main event. And I'm not sure if I can bring my tab. I'm not going to bring this, so I won't have a video, or I won't have any pictures for Instagram. No! But that's okay, because so guys, this is very hard. You need a lot of borax to get this thing going, because it will not clump together. It feels like it's clumping together, but it's still really like liquidy. Let's add a ton. Okay, now we feel it. Yep, this is now clumping together pretty good, I should say. Yep, and it is now some slime. Now we're gonna need it. I do believe I did add a bit too much borax. I think, because this is still really sticky. So let's add a bit more. Yeah, yeah. If you guys saw Ben's Reese's dessert bar, You guys have to get it from the stores. It is like yay, the best. So I would like to say this is ready, but let's see. Yay! Okay, let's see. Does it stick? Nope. Go check out Ellie Black on Instagram. It's just Ellie, ELLY, capital E, Black, capital B. No periods, nothing. And then go the one that shows a redhead with glasses with my dad. You've probably seen him, my dad, before in videos. And then after you find her, you should check out the her thing, and she only has one post, and it's a picture of me when I was really young. I was about like Joshua's age, and if you don't know how old Joshua is, he's 6. So yeah, and if you guys don't know how old I am right now, I'm clearly 10. Well, almost 10. And yeah. So guys, I thank you very much for watching, and see you guys later. Yay!